Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, USB board, system board, display panel assembly, display panel, and touchscreen cable. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Remove the G-sensor board from the adhesive that secures it to the display panel. Place the G-sensor board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the G-sensor board from the static dissipative bag. Place the G-sensor board onto its alignment pins and gently apply pressure to the G-sensor board to adhere it to the display panel.